I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong.
Peace, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Camelia. If you are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for being here. And if you're not new, welcome back. So y'all, today I'm gonna be sharing a meal prep video with y'all. I'm gonna be sharing my meal prep with y'all for this week. So if you have not already watched my grocery haul video, go ahead and go back and watch that. I'm gonna leave it up here. If you have not watched the budget grocery planning video, go watch that and then come back. Watch those two videos and then come back because it'll all make sense. It'll make sense. So today I'm gonna be meal prepping. I'm gonna be meal prepping some quinoa, which is it up there? Nope, it's not up there. Oh wait, yes it is. Got some quinoa right here. I'm gonna be meal prepping that. I'm also going to be meal prepping some squash and zucchini. I'm gonna be meal prepping some cabbage, black eyed peas, and y'all, it's about to get serious. It's about to get serious, y'all. I'm also gonna be meal prepping some sweet potatoes. So let's get into it. That's what we're gonna be making today. So stay tuned and let's go. I cleaned out my fridge. I didn't show that part, but I cleaned out my fridge not too long ago, and I just gotta show y'all what it's looking like because I love this new idea that I had. Let me show you. I think you can see everything. So this is how I organized everything. So I got my produce and everything right there in the middle shelf right there. Everything's right there. And I got my other produce right here on the door. Easy access. Got grapes right here, some plums, some oranges, a lime, and then a bell pepper. And then right here, down here, we got all our beverages. I got my coconut water, orange juice, some water, kombucha, some pomegranate juice, some creamer, and some chocolate milk. Oh, and lemon juice back there. So got all that right there. Then up top, I got my sea moss that I'm unthawing. I had it in the freezer, and yeah, I need to unthaw some more. So I got my sea moss right there. Got some what's that? Some other items, some avocado, some dates, some just eggs, some minced garlic, and a yogurt back there. Down there, I got some sourdough bread. And then I got like some leftover items right there in that little basket from when I was doing from my HelloFresh order that I had that time. So I just always put like the leftovers and things right there. If you're interested in trying out HelloFresh, I'll leave that link below as well. So down at the bottom, y'all, this is like my master plan right here. I feel like I was being genius with this. So I get tired of like bending down at the bottom to get stuff like especially like fruit and stuff like that and vegetables I was putting down there. So I was like, you know what, let's just put all of the condiment items down. Let's just put all of the condiment items down there. So I put all of my sauces down there, and that's pretty much what's on there. So the items that people normally put on the door, like leftover sauces and salad dressings and yeah, all of those things, all the things, I just put it down there in those little drawers. And so yeah, because baby, I don't reach for that stuff a whole lot, so that means I don't have to bend down to get it a whole lot either. So yes, that's my little master plan. That's what it's looking like. What y'all think? Is it giving? Like, let me know in the comments what you think. Now I just thought I was being so smart with that, and you know what, I'm not gonna downplay myself. I am being very smart and wise and intelligent by doing that. Let's go ahead and get started with the meal prep. I'm just gonna play some music over it. I'm not gonna be talking or anything like that. We're just gonna play some music and vibe out while we meal prepping. Let's go.